Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix apps are auto updating once the Android smartphones or tablets is connected to internet. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Play Store and just tap on the Google account icon. And now at the bottom you will see your settings, just tap on it. And now you will see your network preference, just tap on it. Now you will see your auto update apps option, just tap on it. So by default you might be seeing this auto update apps over Wi-Fi only. So in my case over Wi-Fi only is being selected. So in order to make your apps not to update automatically, you need to select the last option on auto update apps. Once you select this option, then your apps will not get auto updated once your Android smartphones or tablets is connected to internet. So once you're done with your selections, just tap on OK. Now you have finally fixed. So this is the way to fix any apps from auto updating once the Android smartphones or tablets is connected to internet very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.